Let's start the third round. The third round is called What Are the Options? KBC style, but without the money. So the point scale is 4 point scale. If you answer it within the first try, you get 20. If you answer it second try, 10. If you answer third try, 5. And if you answer it in the fourth attempt, it's 0. No negative marking, no passing, we move clockwise. Alright, so first question for Greenhouse. Which popular clothing company was originally called Blue Ribbon Sports? Which clothing company was originally called Blue Ribbon Sports? Adidas, Nike, Puma, Reebok. No answer from the audience, please.
Reebok.
Reebok is the wrong answer. Try for 10.
So Nike.
Nike is the right answer. 10 points. Nike originally started as Blue Ribbon Sports in 1964 by Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight. Alright, next question for Blue House. On 26th April 1986, the Chernobyl nuclear disaster took place in which country? Chernobyl nuclear disaster, which country? China, Japan, Soviet, Ukraine, or USA?
Japan.
Japan is the wrong answer. Try for 10. Chernobyl nuclear disaster. Sit down, sit down. Try for 10.
Soviet Ukraine.
Soviet Ukraine is the right answer. 10 points. Chernobyl disaster was caused at reactor number 4 in Chernobyl nuclear power plant near the city of Pripyat in north of Ukraine, SSR. Alright, next question is for Yellow House. Which of the following is not one of the 3 capitals of South Africa? So South Africa has 3 capitals. Which one is not a capital? Bloemfontein, Cape Town, Johannesburg, Pretoria. Johannesburg is not a capital of South Africa, you're saying? Yes, sir. And you're saying right. 20 points for Yellow House. The 3 capitals of South Africa, Pretoria being the executive, Cape Town being the legislative, and Bloemfontein being the judicial capital of South Africa. Johannesburg is its largest city, but it's not the capital. Okay, for Red House, the next question. Who was the first human to travel to space? Alan Shepard, Neil Armstrong, Rakesh Sharma, Yuri Gagarin.
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong, unfortunately, is the wrong answer. Try for 10. First man to travel to space. First human to travel to space. Try for 10.
Yuri Gagarin.
Yuri Gagarin is the right answer. 10 points for Red House. Yuri Gagarin was a Soviet Air Force pilot who was the first person on space in 12th April 1961. Neil Armstrong was the first person on moon. Alright? Okay, next question. Again for Greenhouse. Who wrote the 2 major ancient Greek epic poems, the Odyssey and the Iliad? Homer, Socrates, Shakespeare, Tolstoy. The Iliad and the Odyssey were written by Homer, Socrates, Shakespeare, or Tolstoy.
Socrates.
Socrates is wrong answer. Try for 10.
So Shakespeare.
Shakespeare, ancient Greek epic poem. No, try for 5. Homer, 5 points for Greenhouse. That's Homer. He was an ancient Greek writer and philosopher who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey. Alright, next question for Blue House. In 2015, BBC named Chandigarh as one of the best master plan cities in the world. Who planned or designed the city? Albert Mayer, Edwin Lutyens, Le Corbusier, or Nick Chand? 20 points for first right answer.
Albert Mayer.
Albert Mayer is not the right answer. Try for 10.
Nick Chand.
Nick Chand is again the wrong answer. Try for 5. So you have Le Corbusier and Edwin Lutyens. These two options left for 5 points.
Le Corbusier.
Le Corbusier. Are you sure?
Yes.
5 points for Blue House. For Le Corbusier. Charles Eduardo Gianet, also known as Le Corbusier, was a Swiss-French architect who designed Chandigarh. Nick Chand designed the rock garden in Chandigarh, not the whole city. The whole city was designed by Le Corbusier. Alright, next. For Yellow House. What is the study of fossils called? What is the study of fossils called? Cytology, herpetology, ornithology, or paleontology? What is the study of fossils called?
Ornithology.
Ornithology is the wrong answer. Try for 10.
Herpetology.
Sorry?
Herpetology.
Wrong answer. Try for 5.
Last one.
Paleontology is the right answer. 5 points for Yellow House. Paleo means something old or ancient or related to the past, like fossils or remains of plants and animals, and logy means the scientific study of something. Alright, question for Red House. At 20 Grand Slam titles, Roger Federer holds the all-time joint record with which other tennis player? 20 Grand Slam titles, Roger Federer and which other player? John Wall, Novak Djokovic, Pete Sampras, or Rafael Nadal? So 20 Grand Slams have been won by two tennis players, Roger Federer and who? Let's answer. John Borg, Novak Djokovic, Pete Sampras, Rafael Nadal.
Novak Djokovic.
Djokovic is the wrong answer. Try for 10.
Rafael Nadal.
Rafael Nadal is the right answer. 10 points for Red House. So on the left is Roger Federer and on the right is Rafael Nadal, and they have both won 20 Grand Slams each, which is the highest record so far. Okay, next question is for Green House again. Which element with the symbol W is used as filament in old light bulbs? Which element with the symbol, chemical symbol W?
Tungsten.
Tungsten, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
20 points for Green House. Tungsten is the right answer. Tungsten, also known as wolfram, has a very high melting point of 3422 degrees Celsius. It heats up and lights the room. That's how the filament is made. Alright, next question for Blue House. Which Indian dance form is said to have come from the word that means story? Which Indian dance form comes from the word that means story? Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam.
Kathak.
Kathak. Why?
It has a very katha.
Because it has Katha, and Katha means story. 20 points for Blue House. Kathak is one of the 8 major dance forms in classical Indian dance. 20. Alright, well answered, Blue House. Next is for Yellow. What nation produces 2/3 the world's vanilla? The flavor vanilla is produced by 2/3 in which country? France, Indonesia, Madagascar, Mexico. Let's answer quick. Mexico is the wrong answer. Try for 10. Wrong answer. Try for 5. Indonesia. Again, wrong answer. The correct answer is Madagascar. 0 points for your box. In 2020 January, there was a cyclone in Madagascar, and Indian Navy launched a relief mission which was called Operation Vanilla. Alright, next question for adults. Who, along with Alfred Russel Wallace, introduced the theory of evolution by natural selection? Theory of evolution by natural selection. Who introduced it along with Alfred Russel Wallace? Aristotle, Charles Darwin, Gregor Mendel, Thomas H. Morgan. Theory of evolution.
Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwin. 20 points for adults. Charles Darwin is the right answer. The theory of evolution was proposed by Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace. So Charles Darwin is the man on the left of the screen, and Alfred Russel Wallace is the man on the right. Darwin published the theory in his book On the Origin of Species. Okay, next question. Okay, it's the bonus question for the audience. Which Indian state is popularly known as the land of spices? Bihar, Kerala? Okay, I think the audience already knows the answer. It's Kerala. Unanimously, Kerala is the land of spices. India is known as the spice port of the world, and within India, Kerala is the land of the spices. Next question again for audience. How many minutes of playtime in a game of hockey?
70 minutes.
70 minutes है आपके पास. 70 minutes is the right answer. A typical field hockey game is played in 2 periods of 35 minutes each, so the total becomes 70 minutes. Alright, let's see the scores. You ready? Alright, at the end of third round, Blue House is still in the lead with 175 points. Green House followed 140, very close with Red House 130, and Yellow is still trailing behind. But don't be sad, there's lots to come. So 3 more rounds left, and these are the bigger 3 rounds with most amount of points anyone can score. Alright, so let's go.